Whenever you open an image or create a new document in Photoshop, normally it opens with only a locked background layer. By default, the background layer cannot be transparent or be moved and always remains at the bottom of the layer stack. To create a new layer, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N or go to Layer, select New, then select Layer. You can also click here to get a new layer. In Photoshop, the transparent areas are displayed in gray and white checkboard. This pattern is not really a part of the document, but it helps you to identify the transparent areas. You have to select a layer that you want to work with first. Layers are like transparent sheets on which to paint. When you paint on a transparent sheet, the areas which are left blank are transparent images below the sheet are clearly visible. Layers are created to protect certain areas of an image from modification. Once you are used to working with layers, it is not very difficult to jump from one layer to another. You can easily rearrange layers by dragging them. To lock a layer, click here. To unlock it, click here once again. You can only delete or move unlocked layers. To delete a layer, press Delete or click here. You can make many layers and rename them. To rename, double-click on the layer name or go to Menu, Layer, select Rename Layer, type a name and press Enter. Remember, don't double-click on outside of the layer name text to change the name. You can hide any layer or unhide it by clicking on the eye icon.